Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve Instagram voice message unavailable message problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Following all steps, do not skip. Tap on hold Instagram, click on app info or I button, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Go to Instagram, click on search bar, search Instagram, update Instagram app if available Play Store or App Store. Go to Instagram, click on message icon. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.